Hi traders, today is 16th of August 2019, so we are now live day trading crude oil market. And as you can see, this is CLV contract 2019, October 2019. So please do change your contract so you can trade at the high volume. So just make sure you are in the right contract. So the volume is quite important for crude oil market. So if you trading on the right volume, you will have the better volume capacity. Okay, in this video you will find how I do my day trade for scalping US session crude oil market, and this setup is appear every day. So now time is 9:21 a.m. in the morning, New York time. We have been 21 minutes after US session begin. So as you can see, there is a very large volume up here. Somewhere here just now at the beginning of the US session, and I also have one signal here to short sell, but miss it uh, only maybe a few seconds. So it's quite important to be ready right on time, 5 minutes or 10 minutes before your session begin. Okay, let's take a look on the market. There's a possibility. So at this moment I only see that the market might go further down. We didn't have any signal at this moment, so I'm expecting for it to go further down as a trend market movement. So yesterday there was no trade because the contract is almost ended, so the volume is not much. So we are not missing. Only there's no signal. But for today, we'll see how far it will go. Hopefully there is one good signal for us to enter the market. I'm still waiting for a good signal. Maybe in the next 20 minutes we will find another one more signal for short sell. Let's wait. All right, let's take a look on the volume. Hopefully there is something interesting. At this moment, we found average price Q. The highest at this moment is 54.24. The current price is 54.54. So we are about 30 ticks indifferent. Let's take a look on the higher side if there is any good indication that the market will reverse. At this moment, none. Okay, got one 54.72, which is somewhere here. Could be a fresh sell, fresh seller waiting there. And for us, we will find smaller entry down there. Okay, so it's quite clear that the market make a reverse. I didn't expect it, but this is quite strong. We have one miss selling signal here just now at the beginning of US session, but suddenly the price reversed back further up. So it's quite confusing at this moment. So let's have more patient to see the direction on the market during US session. So the volume are still not much interesting. High value at 55.20. So by the way, please subscribe this channel, and also there's a link in the description below if you are interested to get a live trading signal. So there's a possibility to go higher than this 55, but I will give this signal live to you guys who subscribe this channel. So there's a free trial on the limited time, so just click and join and then choose the plan whatever you like. So let's go to the chart again. Price still hopefully the market will not go for sideways today, because today is Friday. Hope the traders still have more energy to. Okay, there's a high volume here waiting at 55.07. This is interesting. Okay, it looks like the market make a break. I mean, not a breakout. I mean, make a pause or something, like take a break, a pit stop, something like that. Okay, so since the market have moved break this high, so I'm expecting a flat and then another high. There's a big possibility at this moment, and also there's a large volume waiting at 55.07. So there's good tendency for the market to go to this direction. So as now we almost 10 a.m. New York time, another 12 minutes before 10 a.m. and hope another volume will kick in. Let's wait. Alright guys, now time is 10:22 a.m. in the morning, New York time. So we just found our signal for tonight. So as expected, it's a short sell position, so which is at 54.29. Have queued my position, so I'm waiting for the for this order to be filled. So at this moment, let's take a look on the volume. If there is a quite interesting volume, there's a high volume waiting at 54.32. Still one, and I believe down here they got more high volume. I'm queuing my profit target at 54.07, which is about 220 US dollar, because the target daily target is around 250 to 400 US dollar. So let's wait since the order is not yet triggered. So by the way, please subscribe this channel. If you, I also providing a live signal, so you can click the link I provide in the description below. So for example, today, 16th of August 2019, I did provide a sell short signal at a 54.29, which is not yet triggered, and we are waiting to be filled. So this is a live trade, so this is also a live signal I'm providing. So just get the free trial by choosing the plan, clicking on the plan, or touch if you are using the smartphone. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Okay, this is where I will exit my positions. Looks interesting that the market will be a major sell down, could be at this moment 54.57, so have to be more patient. Hopefully the price trigger is not too late, because we have been in the, we have waiting in the market for 1 hour and 24 minutes, and now we have the signal. Normally this kind of setup will have a signal much more earlier during entering a US session. Maybe today is a little bit late, still okay. So let's wait. Okay, still waiting. I add one more position here at 54.38. So this is a second lot position. Market did spike just now. I'm still waiting here. First breakout. This is the second breakout. So I'm taking the first breakout to go into the market, because the second one is normally slippage. So we'll exit at 54.7, around 22 ticks. It was good. It was a good condition and situation for me to short sell the market. So let's wait patiently. My signal also, I haven't changed anything, still the same. Okay, now we're entering the new candle. Time now is around 10:30 a.m. in the morning US time. Okay, we're almost in the market. Okay, one lot already in, second lot already in. So net position is around 54.30. So let's take a look. Okay, let me analyze this chart so it looks better. Okay, we will exit the market at 54.07. So this moment we are positive, not much. Okay, price reverse back because of the delay. Maybe internet connection. Ooh, minus 100. at this moment. So just take a look on this PNL here. Also the total also can be seen here. Okay, the price did reverse back. Hopefully not hit our stop loss around 23 ticks from my entry. So my average price is 54.30. So stop loss is around 54.53. The price, the market will go further down, but only at this moment. Hopefully it will not do a sideways movement touching the upper side. Hopefully not. So this gonna take some time. So time now is 10:36. We are at minus 200. Doesn't look good, but have to be patient. This is trading. So near to my stop loss. It's too stressful. Oh, that was minus 420. Oh shit. Okay. Loss. So we lost around 400 US dollar today. Just no luck. Just no luck. Okay, was unlucky. But still, the price will go further down to the downside. I'm still expecting for the market to have 54.27. It's a good sell signal. I will not go into the market. Because it hits almost hit my daily limit, because I'm limiting around 500 US dollar daily. So you can short sell again. It was very unfortunate. Okay, price did reverse back. It was very unlucky. Okay, we'll see. Maybe this is a typical sideways movement, and then further down maybe after the before lunch US time. That's what I'm expecting. So the signal might be valid. No, still valid. Okay guys, I will close my video, but this level is still valid. Okay, we'll continue next week. Happy tradings. Goodbye.